Avoid these 18 worst daily habits that can destroy your kidneys fast. Starting from number 18, excessive salt intake. Imagine a quiet threat hidden in your everyday meals: salt. While sodium is essential for bodily functions, high salt intake puts a significant strain on your kidneys, which filter waste from your blood. Excess salt leads to hyperfiltration, where the kidneys work overtime, causing long-term damage and disease. Moreover, a high-sodium diet reduces the effectiveness of kidney-protecting drugs and disrupts the sodium-potassium balance, further decreasing kidney function. The World Health Organization, WHO, recommends less than 2 grams of sodium per day, but most Americans consume 50% more than this limit. 17. Excessive sugar intake. Too much sugar can harm your kidneys. High blood sugar levels force your kidneys to filter excess sugar, leading to damage over time. This can result in proteinuria, where proteins leak into your urine, a precursor to chronic kidney disease, CKD. Excessive sugar intake also raises blood pressure, compounding kidney strain. A 2023 study revealed that people consuming 25% or more of their daily calories from added sugars had an 88% higher risk of kidney stones. Cut back on processed foods and sugary drinks to protect your kidneys. 16. Excessive meat intake and its impact on kidney health. Excessive consumption of meat, particularly red meat, is a common dietary habit that can have profound effects on kidney health. While meat is a valuable source of protein and essential nutrients, consuming it in large quantities, especially red meat, places an undue strain on the kidneys and accelerates the development of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Here's a closer look at how this happens and what can be done to mitigate the risks. 15. Excessive strenuous exercise. Excessive strenuous exercise can cause rhabdomyolysis, a condition where intense muscle breakdown releases harmful proteins like myoglobin into the bloodstream, overwhelming and damaging the kidneys. This may lead to acute kidney injury, AKI, especially if dehydration occurs. Factors like hot weather, inadequate hydration, and overexertion increase the risk. To protect kidney health, balance exercise intensity, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. Avoid pushing beyond your limits and ensure proper recovery after workouts. Moderate intensity, consistent exercise is beneficial, but overdoing it can strain the kidneys and worsen existing conditions, highlighting the importance of a balanced fitness routine. 14. Overuse of painkillers. Overuse of painkillers, particularly non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, aspirin, or naproxen, can harm kidney function and lead to a condition called analgesic nephropathy. These medications reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste. Prolonged or frequent use increases the risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD, or kidney failure, especially in individuals with pre-existing conditions like diabetes or hypertension. Symptoms of kidney damage include fatigue, swelling, or changes in urination. To protect your kidneys, use painkillers sparingly, follow the prescribed dosage, and consult your doctor for safer alternatives or non-drug pain management options. 13. Ignoring the urge to urinate. Ignoring the urge to urinate can have serious consequences for kidney health. Holding in urine for extended periods increases pressure on the bladder, potentially leading to its overstretching and weakening. This creates a breeding ground for bacteria, raising the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. If left untreated, UTIs can spread to the kidneys, causing inflammation, infection, or even kidney swelling, hydronephrosis, which can result in long-term damage. Chronic delays in urination may also impair kidney function over time. To maintain kidney health, respond promptly to the urge to urinate and establish regular bathroom habits to prevent unnecessary strain. 12. Ignoring urinary tract infections. Ignoring urinary tract infections, UTIs, can lead to severe complications. When untreated, bacteria from the urinary tract can travel to the kidneys, causing a condition called pyelonephritis. This can result in permanent kidney damage, reduced function, or even kidney failure. In severe cases, the infection may enter the bloodstream, leading to life-threatening sepsis. Symptoms like burning during urination, frequent urges to urinate, pain in the lower abdomen, or cloudy urine should never be ignored. Prompt medical attention and appropriate antibiotic treatment are crucial to prevent the infection from worsening and to protect overall kidney and urinary tract health. 11. Ignoring high blood pressure. Ignoring high blood pressure, hypertension, can significantly damage your kidneys. Elevated blood pressure harms the blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter waste and excess fluids effectively. Over time, this strain can lead to chronic kidney disease, CKD, or kidney failure. To protect your kidneys, adopt lifestyle changes like reducing salt intake, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress. Additionally, take prescribed medications as directed to control blood pressure. Regular monitoring and early intervention are essential to prevent long-term kidney damage and maintain overall health. 10. Poorly managed diabetes. Poorly managed diabetes is a leading cause of chronic kidney disease, CKD. High blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. This can lead to diabetic kidney disease, DKD, which may progress to kidney failure if untreated. Additionally, diabetes often causes high blood pressure and elevated cholesterol, further straining the kidneys. To prevent kidney damage, it's crucial to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, control blood pressure, and manage cholesterol through a balanced diet, regular exercise, medication, and routine checkups. Early management can significantly reduce the risk of long-term complications. 9. Skipping regular exercise. Skipping regular exercise can harm kidney health over time. Physical activity helps manage blood pressure, a crucial factor in preventing kidney damage. It also improves overall blood circulation, reduces inflammation, and enhances kidney function. Regular exercise supports a healthy weight, lowers the risk of diabetes and heart disease, and combats stress, all of which contribute to kidney health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activities like walking, cycling, or swimming most days of the week. Even small, consistent efforts can protect your kidneys and boost overall well-being, making exercise a vital part of a kidney-friendly lifestyle. 8. Drinking sodas. Drinking sugary and artificially sweetened sodas can significantly increase the risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD. The high sugar content in sodas contributes to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, major risk factors for CKD. Additionally, phosphoric acid in colas can alter urine composition, increasing the likelihood of kidney stones and further kidney damage. Artificial sweeteners are also linked to metabolic issues that may impair kidney function over time. To protect your kidneys, swap sodas for healthier alternatives like water, unsweetened tea, or low-fat milk. Staying hydrated with kidney-friendly beverages supports overall kidney health and reduces disease risk. 7. Eating processed foods. Eating processed foods can harm your kidneys due to their high content of additives, sugar, unhealthy fats, and excessive salt. These ingredients strain the kidneys by increasing blood pressure, contributing to obesity, and disrupting electrolyte balance. Processed foods often lack essential nutrients like fiber and antioxidants, which are crucial for overall health. Regular consumption can exacerbate chronic kidney disease, CKD, or lead to its development. To protect your kidneys, choose whole, unprocessed foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet helps maintain kidney health and reduces the risk of kidney-related complications. 6. Sitting for too long. Sitting for prolonged periods is linked to an increased risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Extended sitting reduces blood circulation, leading to metabolic changes that can strain the kidneys over time. Physical inactivity also contributes to conditions like obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes, which are major risk factors for CKD. To protect your kidneys, incorporate movement into your day. Take regular breaks to stand, stretch, and walk around, especially if you work at a desk. Even small activities, like a few minutes of light exercise or standing every hour, can improve circulation and support kidney health. 5. Not drinking enough water. Not drinking enough water can strain your kidneys by reducing their ability to filter waste and maintain electrolyte balance. Dehydration leads to a buildup of toxins in the body, increasing the risk of kidney stones and infections. On the other hand, overhydration can dilute essential electrolytes, causing imbalances that also stress the kidneys. Balanced hydration supports kidney function by helping to flush out toxins and prevent complications. Aim to drink enough water to keep your urine light yellow or clear. Adjust your intake based on activity level, climate, and health conditions to maintain optimal kidney health. 4. Smoking. Smoking harms your kidneys by damaging blood vessels and reducing blood flow, impairing their ability to function properly. It accelerates the progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and increases the risk of kidney failure. Smoking also raises blood pressure and exacerbates diabetes, two major factors contributing to kidney damage. Additionally, the toxins in cigarettes increase oxidative stress and inflammation, further harming kidney tissues. Quitting smoking is one of the most effective ways to protect your kidneys, slow CKD progression, and improve overall health. Seek support or professional help if needed to break free from this harmful habit. 3. Not getting enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep can harm your kidneys by disrupting the regulation of hormones critical for kidney function, such as those controlling blood pressure and fluid balance. Poor sleep patterns lead to higher nighttime blood pressure, reducing the rest kidneys need for proper function. Chronic sleep deprivation also increases inflammation, further contributing to kidney damage and accelerating chronic kidney disease, CKD progression. To protect your kidneys, prioritize 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Create a restful environment, and manage stress to support kidney health and overall well-being. 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption significantly increases the risk of kidney disease by overworking the kidneys to filter out toxins. Alcohol dehydrates the body, disrupting the balance of electrolytes and fluids, which places additional strain on the kidneys. Over time, this can lead to reduced kidney function or chronic kidney disease, CKD. Heavy drinking also raises blood pressure and impairs liver function, both of which further harm the kidneys. To protect your kidney health, limit alcohol intake, stay hydrated, and prioritize moderation. For those with pre-existing kidney conditions, avoiding alcohol entirely is often the best choice. 1. Excessive caffeine consumption. Excessive caffeine consumption can stress the kidneys by increasing blood flow, raising blood pressure, and acting as a diuretic, which promotes fluid loss. Over time, this strain may impair kidney function and exacerbate existing conditions like chronic kidney disease, CKD. High doses of caffeine can also disrupt electrolyte balance, leading to potential complications. To protect your kidneys, limit caffeine intake to moderate levels, less than 400 milligrams daily, and choose alternatives like decaffeinated coffee, herbal teas, or water. Staying well hydrated with water helps reduce the burden on your kidneys and maintains their optimal function. Avoid these harmful habits to safeguard your kidneys. If you have any symptoms or concerns, consult your doctor. Stay informed, stay healthy.